My dear children, fourth one is the object of a preposition. Means they are used gerund, they are used as after the preposition, like I am fond of reading. I'm fond of reading. So here after preposition, when they are used, so they act as the object of the preposition here. So one more example is like he was punished for coming late. He was punished for coming late. So here it is also used as the object of the preposition, means they are used after the preposition. So my dear students, these are the gerunds and how they are used. Let us revise here. Gerunds, they are the verb that act as a noun and they are formed from the verb by adding ing to the first form of the verb. Next is their gerund uses. They can be used as a subject, like singing is a good art. They can be used as the object of the verb, like I love teaching, I love dancing, Rohit enjoy cooking here. They can be used as the complement of the verb, like one of Milton's recreation is singing, and they are used in the to be sentences. Okay, in the to be sentences, present we use as is, am, are. Past we use was, were, and these act as the main verb and they act as a gerund here. Last is their object of preposition, means they are used after the preposition, like I'm fond of reading, he was punished for coming late. Okay, so let us start the exercises that are given on the book here. Okay, so before this, let us try to understand the difference between the gerund and the present participle. So present participle is also formed by adding ing to the first form of the verb here. Okay, so both gerund and present participle look alike, like he kept me waiting, I don't like waiting. They both look alike. Okay, and they formed from the verb by adding ing. Okay, they form from the first form of the verb by adding ing, but in the gerund that function or that act like a noun. Okay, and present participle that act as an adjective here. Adjective, they are the verb that qualify the noun here, means they, where they are used, they tell you about the quality of the noun, like he kept me waiting. He kept me waiting. It is waiting here, it is used as a present participle. So I don't like waiting. Okay, waiting here act as a noun. So here it is acting as an adjective here, but here waiting, it is acting like a noun here. So where these words they act like noun, they are called as the gerund here. One more example, after playing he returned home. This playing is their present participle. They are not acting here as a noun, they are used after this preposition, you can say, or they behave like an adjective here. Playing is good for health. Here playing is used as a gerund because it is acting as a subject also, as well as it is used here as a noun. Seeing, he believed, and seeing is believing. So this is also here used as a gerund here. Okay, now let us come to the exercises are there. Like the first one is there, from the following sentences pick out the gerunds and participle. If it is a gerund, indicate whether it's a subject, object, complement of the verb, or object of a preposition, means the various uses, how they are used in various ways. Or if it is a participle, point out the noun or pronoun it qualify here. Okay, so participle, if it is participle, means used in the third form. Okay, that also act as a noun, but they are not used as ing, they are used as the third form of the verb here. First one example is there, telling lies will not help anymore. So here this telling, it is used here as a present participle. Okay, so it is used here as a present participle. Next is there, he was punished for coming late. So for coming late, here it is used, coming is used as a gerund and it act as the object of the preposition here. Okay, it act as a, because it is used after the preposition. Next is there, children learn reading and writing at school. So after the verb it is used as an object here. Children learn reading and writing at school. So reading and writing, they are acting here as the verb of the, sorry, they are acting here as the object of the verb and used here as a gerund here. Coming events cast their shadows before. Coming events cast their shadows before. Here coming, they are describing about the events here. So event, they are describing, the event is a noun and they are the describing word. So here it is used as a present participle here. Okay, next is here, a burnt child dreads the fire. So here burnt, which is the third form of the verb, and it is used here as a past participle. Burnt child dreads the fire, it's used here as a past participle. He found all the people gone. Okay, so he found all the people gone. So gone, it is also used here as a past participle, not the present. It is used here as a past participle. I will mind you leaving, I will mind your leaving so early. So okay, so here this is used as a gerund which act as the object of the verb here. He left the tap running. So this running, it is used here as a present participle here. So like this, my dear students, 10 I will complete and next 10 you will complete as a homework here. The man standing at the corner knows me. So the man standing, okay, qualifying about the noun. So here it is also used as a present participle. Next is here, he is busy in amassing wealth. He is busy in amassing. Amassing means collecting. Okay, so here this is used here as a gerund which is the form of object to the preposition here. So my dear students, I have completed here 10 and next 10 you will complete as your homework here. Thank you everyone.